Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your phone number on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on my menu other below, right? Let me just click right here and let me just close these windows. Click on the menu, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the settings gear at the top, right? And go ahead to the account center or meta. And now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see the personal details, and you're gonna see password and security. And basically what you're gonna see, once you click on the password and security, you're gonna see change password, right? And you're gonna see all of that. Go get back to it and go ahead to the personal details and go ahead to the contact info. Now what I'm gonna do, if you want to change the phone number, you can add a new number or new contact number, or you could just go ahead to your this new current number and just delete it and just go ahead and add a new, like, a mobile number. Okay, and just I'm gonna just demonstrate and add the phone number, and you're gonna select for which account this number is, and basically that's it. Confirm it. Once they send you like a SMS or yeah, for a verification code, basically you gotta just confirm it, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.